Hi everyone, this is Forsythia with CactiOnWhite and welcome to my channel. I was just cleaning up my kitchen from cooking breakfast, or brunch I should say, and thought I would share an update on my refrigerator game with you guys. My peace lily is actually in bloom. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? There's another one here. So just sharing you guys. I acquired these maybe a month ago and redid my refrigerator planters. So there's some bird's nest sansevieria, which really wasn't the best selection to put with the peace lily because the peace lily needs to be watered more regularly than obviously than a sansevieria. So I probably will pull these guys out and put them somewhere else and fill it with something else that really likes water. Wasn't thinking when I did that. I was just based on going on aesthetics, and yeah. So there's a Haworthia, some of my little cute things on my refrigerator. That's from my trip in 2020 to Jordan, which was phenomenal. That is from the Desert Botanical Garden. I got that at the gift shop there, as well as probably these guys years ago. Little Haworthia that needs a little love. It's not getting enough water there, so I need to work on that today. Here are the little trio of ponytail palms. There's another sansevieria. Ripsalis is there, so I'll pull back so you can see that, if it'll focus. There we go. There's more Haworthias. There's a little cactus over there. Those little tiny cacti are really old. Really nice Ripsalis. These came from Callaway's nursery in South Lake, Texas. You can probably see my shadow, that green hue. This is another planter with a Prince of Orange, a sansevieria, and another trio of ponytail palms. So I will pull back so you guys can see. So yeah, just thought I'd share that, a little quick video. Hadn't planned it, but why not, right? All right. I love this little planting system. It's actually, I converted it. You can use it for whatever organization. But years ago, I decided to put them on my fridge and make them little planters. So, and this fridge gets sunlight. So when there's sunlight to be had, today is not a good day. We have a winter mix, so it's actually snowing a little bit in Texas. But yeah, thought I'd share this with you guys. Short video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed seeing my, what I call, refrigerator gang. If you haven't already done so, consider subscribing to the channel, Consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.